Welcome to the Control-M MFT Enterprise AS2 setup video. In this video, you will learn how to set up a Control-M MFT Enterprise AS2 configuration, which enables you to transfer and receive files with a trading partner that uses the AS2 protocol. Applicability Statement 2, or AS2, is a standard used to transfer EDI and other data in real time. The AS2 protocol facilitates the ability to exchange AS2 EDI messages over HTTP or HTTPS protocols. AS2 allows you to sign, encrypt, and compress the file and receive a receipt to confirm the transfer. Before you can begin transferring and receiving files with a trading partner that uses the AS2 protocol, you need to set up specific configurations in your environment. First, you need to add your AS2 private key and certificate and the trading partner's AS2 certificate to the Control-M MFT key store. From the Java key tool, import your key pair and partner's certificate to the keystore.pfx file. The keystore default password is password. Remember to record the alias names used for your key and for your partner's certificate. You will need this later on. In addition, provide your public certificate to the partner so they can add it to their key store. To be able to send messages from a Control-M MFT job to a partner's AS2 server, you need to create an AS2 connection profile in the CCM. In the AS2 parameter window, set all the required fields to connect to a trading partner that uses the AS2 protocol. In the Partner AS2 ID field, enter a unique ID for the remote AS2 server. In the Destination URL field, enter the URL of the AS2 server. And in the Partner Certificate Alias field, enter the alias that you use to import the partner's certificate to the key store. In the MDN area, you can choose whether to receive an MDN receipt synchronously or asynchronously. Synchronous MDN receipts are received during the same connection to the MFT job, while asynchronous MDN receipts are received by a different connection opened from a partner's server to your Control-M MFT B2B gateway. The test option sends a temporary file to your partner's AS2 server to test the connection. To demonstrate this configuration, we will define a file transfer job that sends files to your partner's AS2 server. You can only use a local to AS2 connection profile. FTP and SFTP are not supported as the source protocol for an AS2 transfer. From the Browse dialog, select the local file that you want to transfer to an AS2 server. Check in and order the workspace. The file transferred successfully to the AS2 server. In the job output, you can see the MDN receipt of the transfer. Note that the MDN file is also stored in the local Control-M agent file system in the MDN directory and is saved there for 7 days by default. To enable your trading partner to send AS2 messages to your organization, you need to define the AS2 user settings on the hub. Verify that this user is associated to a virtual folder where AS2 messages are stored. In the AS2 ID field, enter the same unique ID from the connection profile for the remote AS2 server. In the Partner Certificate Alias field, enter the same alias from the connection profile of the partner certificate that is stored in the AS2 key store. In the AS2 Destination folder, select the authorized virtual folder where the uploaded file must be saved. If the virtual folder doesn't exist, the AS2 messages are stored in CM AFT AS2 Server Inbox. Next, you need to configure AS2 settings on the hub. Verify that the hub is listening for AS2 messages, ports are available, and your AS2 ID and AS2 key alias are correct. Now your environment is set up to send and receive files to and from an AS2 server. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, see the Control-M help.